Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to apply any of the makeup in Character Creator 3.4, and it just apply in 1 minute. It will make up the whole face. So just have a look. This is your Character Creator 3. This is the default avatar. When you just open the CC3, it will just show you this avatar. And you can see this lady, the face is without makeup. If you want to make up on her face, you can just click here. This is the makeup symbol. Now here you can see the full makeup. You have a few choices here. You have the cordial enhancing. What you need to do is just double click it. Now you can see it applied the makeup. At the same time, it also already activated the editor. During the editing modes, you can see all the hairstyle and all the clothes will disappear. What you need to do is just untick again to deactivate the editor. Once you deactivate it, all the hairstyles and the clothes will be applied again. Alright, as demo, I will just add a hairstyle and do it again to let you see. I add a hairstyle for this avatar. Now again, I go to apply another makeup from here. Go to the makeup. The full makeup, you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 choices. Let's say if I click the Tribe Warrior, you can see after it apply, it will activate the editor. Untick it and wait for a while. Now she will back to the normal. And you can see other like foundation makeup, you have other makeup as well. You have a lot of makeup. You have eyes makeup as well. You have eyeliner. For example, what if I want to apply an eyeliner? For example, now it is without the eyeliner. If I double click it, would you like to add a new layer or replace the current layer? If I just add a new layer, it is okay. You will just add the eyeliner here. Let's have a look. It is quite simple and straightforward. Now you can see the rest of the layer of the makeup still there, and now you are added an eyeliner, and I activate again, deactivate the editor. Now it will back to the normal. Alright, that's all for today about how to make up your CC3 avatar, your 3D avatar in Character Creator 3. In just 1 minute, you can apply any of the makeup template at here. And you really have a lot of the makeup templates. That's how it works. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.